Alrighty, Dan, here's another one of your 427 small block Fords. Give description of this combination. Got a set of our heads on it, CNC. Got some grind hydraulic roller with the period correct Aviaid Pan, obviously GT40 front end on it. Borla stack injection, great system. Holley Terminator X fuel management. Going to make a run. Since she does, stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 482 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 548, good and flat in there, that's the stack. Peak horsepower 576, rated 575. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean on the exhaust for you. Show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card full of technical information. Highly recommend watching it. There's a lot of good stuff in there, engine dyno videos, engine build specs, tech stuff. On the engine will be this tag, have an engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look up anything about your engine. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you to some more tech stuff. So lots of stuff to watch. Highly recommend do it. Have a great day.